Hi friends, welcome back to my garden. We're gonna harvest some broccoli here and make a broccoli salad. We're just gonna cut this center part because if you leave the rest of the broccoli and keep watering it, you'll get some side shoots from the broccoli. So you don't wanna just cut the whole entire plant out. You can see the side shoots have already started right here growing. So you wanna leave those so you get extra broccoli. Even though it's small, you'll still get a little bit more broccoli. So now we're gonna go and make some broccoli salad with our beautiful broccoli. We're ready to start our broccoli salad. I washed off my broccoli from the garden. And now I'm just gonna get it chopped up. I'm gonna pull these leaves off. Chad is not a big fan of broccoli, but he loves the broccoli from the garden and he loves this broccoli salad. So we're gonna get them chopped up into bite-sized pieces, or you can break them off too, into little florets. And the stems, I'm going to just chop those up too. Those are really good also. Everything from the garden is so good. So good. I think I'm gonna make this much. I like to make how much we're gonna eat. That way, because once you mix it with the dressing, it starts getting soft. So I like it to be fresh and crunchy. So I'm gonna use this much. And you can just do it how much you need for your family or whoever you're serving. We're gonna make the dressing now. We're gonna use a half a cup of mayo. And a half a cup of sour cream. I'm just going to stir this up a little. There we go. Just a little over. There we go. Okay, and you can use sugar in here, or I'm going to use agave syrup. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons. Okay, I'm going to taste it and see how sweet it is. I'm going to put 1 more tablespoon of agave syrup. And that's good. That tastes good. There's a little bit more in the spoon, so I'm just gonna put that in there. our broccoli and we're just going to pour our dressing in here. And then we're going to add some shredded cheese, and you can do it to what looks good to you. I've got some sharp cheddar here. That's pretty good. I've got some sunflower seeds. And I've got some raisins. And I'm going to give that a stir. And that looks good. And now we've got some bacon bits. I got some bacon bits from Costco. I'm just going to sprinkle these. And then mix them in a bit. Here's our delicious broccoli salad. I've got a clean spoon, and we're going to take a taste. It's so delicious. It has a little sweetness from the dressing that we made, and a little sweetness from the raisins, and then the saltiness from the bacon and the cheese and everything. It tastes really delicious, a fresh, delicious salad. Broccoli is so good from the garden. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.